Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to counter Widowmaker Snipes in Overwatch. Dive composition. Coordinate with teammates to dive on Widowmaker, overwhelming her with close-range threats. Shield tanks. Use tanks like Reinhardt, Orisa, or Sigma to provide barriers that block Widowmaker's line of sight. Flanker heroes. Play heroes like Genji, Tracer, or Doomfist to flank and pressure Widowmaker from unexpected angles. Sniper Duel. Challenge Widowmaker with another skilled sniper like Hanzo or Ana to contest her from a distance. High Mobility. Utilize heroes with high mobility such as Winston, Diva, or Wrecking Ball to quickly close the distance on Widowmaker. Map Awareness. Be mindful of Widowmaker's common sniping positions on each map and avoid predictable paths. Sound cues. Listen for Widowmaker's sniper shots to locate her position and adjust your approach accordingly. Communication. Coordinate with your team to call out Widowmaker's location and focus fire to eliminate her quickly. Flank routes. Use alternative paths or flanking routes to approach Widowmaker without being spotted. Grouping up. Avoid straying alone and group up with teammates to reduce the risk of being picked off by Widowmaker. Counter sniping. Use heroes like Ashe, Soldier, 76 or Widowmaker herself to counter snipe and pressure Widowmaker. Predictive movement. Move unpredictably and use cover effectively to make it harder for Widowmaker to land shots. Baiting shots. Use movement abilities or bait shots to force Widowmaker to waste shots or reveal her position. Area denial. Use heroes like Junkrat or Pharah to deny Widowmaker's sniping spots with area of effect damage. Anti-sniper abilities. Heroes like Mei can use Ice Wall to block Widowmaker's sightlines temporarily or freeze her. And that's how to counter Widowmaker's snipes in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.